Hi guys, I'm in a wonderful mood today. Do you want to know why? Yes! Because today, we have a day of amazing transformations. Make yourself comfortable. Here we go! Hey, have you ever dreamed of being someone else for a while? Do you know who our little cars dream to turn into? Into large construction equipment. After all, construction equipment has such powerful tools and such large wheels. And here's the building site. And what's next to it? A magic cafe? Wow!
Wonderful!
Wow!
There are magic treats in this cafe, and everyone who wants to turn into a construction machine for a while can try them. Hey, cars! Look what's there! Everything looks so delicious. I would eat something now with great pleasure too. But I think that a bucket instead of a nose will not fit me. Come on, cars, try it. These treats are specially for you. Hey, tow truck, it looks like you're the bravest. Oh, look, tow truck turned into a large excavator.
Good!
A car that perfectly digs the ground with its bucket. I wonder what else will machines turn into?
Oops.
It's a garbage truck. A drill vehicle. A crane. And this is oops!
Wow!
Is this a balloon?
Oh no.
Huh. Maybe there were too many bubbles in the drink.
Uh-oh.
Hey, balloon! Do not fly high up. You'll soon be a car again.
What?
The time of the magic meal influence is measured by these hourglasses. When all the sand falls, the magic will end.
What? I can't move.
What? You can't go down?
Yes!
Oh, what do? I do not want you to fall down from a great height. Friends, we need to urgently help the balloon go down to the ground.
Please.
Come on, excavator. Show what your bucket is capable of.
Oops. Oops.
Gotcha!
Oops. Ouch. Oh my.
Uh-oh!
Oh boy. Ouch. Oh no. Help! Wow.
The car with the drill, be careful. Do not punch the ball.
Yes, please!
Oops. No! Be careful.
Garbage truck,
At your service.
show how accurate you are.
Yeah, gotcha. help you.
No!
Oh, a bit down, and now higher.
Help!
Oh, missed. We need to hurry
Be careful.
because the magic food influence is coming to an end.
What?
All hope is on the crane.
Hurry up!
Just be careful. You've got a sharp hook.
Yes! Oops! Oops! Uh-oh!
Oh no! What do we do? The magic is over.
Oh my!
Look, he's falling. What can we do?
Oh, help.
What are you saying? I can't hear anything.
Please.
Mcqueen! No kidding? Go
Hurry
faster!
up,
Oh,
McQueen.
yes, I've got it. Great idea. Let's make a kite.
Good!
Yeah.
Awesome!
Wonderful.
Amazing! Good!
Thank you very much.
Do you know when the first kites appeared? They appeared more than 2,000 years ago in China and looked like dragons.
Wonderful!
Whee!
Hey, McQueen.
Wow! Whee!
How
Awesome!
good it is when we come up with great ideas.
Yes!
And it's especially good when these ideas can help someone, right?
Yes!
Yeah.
Well, friends, we had a great time and found out what the first kites looked like. See you soon. Bye-bye.